Go ahead and in your search box type in system and open up system. Now you can go ahead and click on notification and action and turn this off. You can also uncheck all these boxes and close it. Next, open up your browser and type in Malwarebytes. Click on search. Usually viruses make your system slow. So to increase your computer speed, you have to install an antivirus. If you have one, it's great. Just run it and scan your computer. Otherwise, go ahead and download Malwarebytes. It's free. It's free, and for some days you can use the premium version of it. Go ahead and download and do your virus scan. So once you install Malwarebytes on your system, open Malwarebytes. When you open Malwarebytes, you can see you get premium trial of Malwarebytes. You can go ahead and scan this. So as you can see, the virus scan is over and Malwarebytes detected 30 malwares on my computer, which is actually great. And now you can go ahead and click on quarantine if you also found some malwares in your computer. So to make your computer faster, make sure to not avoid this part. Virus scanning is such an important thing, and don't forget to do this so that all the unnecessary malware on your system will get erased. The scanning and the quarantine is done, you can close it. So guys, there's an alternative way to remove your temporary files in your system, and that is by installing this software called CCleaner on your system. So CCleaner will remove all the temporary files from your browsers and all those unaccessible spaces in your device, and this helps to increase your computer speed and make your computer faster. So to install CCleaner, I have made a video on that. You can go in the description and find the video, and you can learn how to install CCleaner on your device. So now open up CCleaner. So this is the professional edition of CCleaner. So when you open up CCleaner, you can go ahead and click on custom clean and select all these boxes which are unchecked, and you can see the applications in the system. Also you can see the health of the system. You click on health check and click on start. You can see CCleaner does the scan and will help you to know your computer's health. And installing CCleaner is another way you can improve your computer speed. So the health check is done. You can see CCleaner found these, and I can make it better by clicking on this. Now you can go ahead and click on custom clean and select all these boxes, and whichever boxes are required, and then go ahead and click on run cleaner. Now you can see CCleaner will automatically start deleting the temporary files, histories, cookies, all those unnecessary things which are on your computer, and this will make your computer more fast. Now go ahead and press the Windows and R key and type in and press on OK. So you will reach the system properties. Go ahead and click on advanced and click on settings. Make sure to uncheck all these boxes. So go ahead and click on advanced and come under virtual memory and click on change. Uncheck this and select custom. So I will show you the mathematics of this. Let me open up a calculator. Okay, so in the first section where it says initial size, let's say I have 4 GB of RAM, and that multiplied by 1024 multiplied by 1.5, that is 6144. Enter this, and in the maximum size multiply by 4 into 1024 into 3. So I'll get 12,288. Now enter it over here. This press on set. So after entering this, press on set and click on OK and close this. This will use the virtual memory that is available on your device. Now go ahead and in your search bar type in disk cleanup, open this, select C, press OK. This will remove the temporary files that are available on your C drive. Check all of this and press on OK to delete these files. Click on settings, open settings and click on system. And click on storage. Enable this and close this. So okay guys, now we are going to go ahead and increase the processor speed, and this will hopefully increase your computer speed. So to do that, you have to go in the search bar and type in power or edit power plan. After searching, click on this and open this up. It will open up a new window. From here you have to go ahead and click on change advanced power settings. Click on that and open that up. So here we have to find an option called high performance or ultra high performance. If you have that option, click on that but here unfortunately I don't have that. So most of you have this problem, and to fix this I have a great solution for that. To find the high performance option, you have to close this and go ahead and click on this power option. And from this window you have to go ahead and create a power plan. So now we are going to create a power plan. So to do that you have to go ahead and click on the high performance option, and this is the option which is supposed to be over there, but unfortunately it is not there. So click on this and name your custom plan. Now create this. Okay, so now you have to go ahead and click on change plan settings and click on change advanced power settings. Now your plan is running on high power performance or ultra high performance. Now you have to go ahead and scroll down and click on this called processor power management, and you have to go ahead and click on minimum processor state. So in minimum processor state, open this up and click on battery and change this to 0. We also want plug-in percentage to be 0. Now go ahead and click on maximum processor state, drop it down, and we have to make it 100, and then plug-in percentage also 100. And after all these changes, click on apply and click on OK. Hopefully this will increase your computer speed. And now for the next one, we have to go ahead and click on your browser, whichever you are using. I'm using Chrome browser. You have to go ahead and click in the extension tab, and we have these extensions. Find out all these extensions which you are not using on a system and click on disable. And this will help to increase your computer speed, because since your browser is running and your extensions are running as well to the browser, disabling one of those extensions will give more processing power to your system and will definitely help you in increasing your computer speed. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe. This is Learnomics signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one.